Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalen Mitchell and today I am with
Kia.
And today we're going to be trying each other's products. Basically, Kia has low porosity hair and I have high porosity hair, and typically the same products do not work for us, but we're going to try it today just to kind of see how our hair reacts. Right now she is in the middle of using my products, so you guys should go ahead and check out the video. I have it linked down below as well as her channel. But yeah, you see all that product on it. Oh, it'll be interesting.
All my life I had to fight, and that's all I have to say.
It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting. Also, y'all, I just re-dyed my hair, so if you guys haven't seen that video, you should go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked up there or whatever. But I'm gonna be trying her products. I think I'll be okay because high porosity hair tends to just go with the flow, but you don't use a leave-in.
No.
She doesn't use a leave-in. My hair needs moisture typically, so it may look good, but will it feel good? That's what I'm a little hesitant about. But we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. Kia, what products am I using?
Okay, so what I have for you today, Jalen, is a beautiful combination of products. All right, so what we're gonna be using is this Jamaican mango and lime oil. Okay, this is something that I really like to use in my hair to kind of spruce up the wash and go, give that little bit of extra shine, alleviate some of the crunch without disrupting the product's natural formula and creating like whiteness and goopiness. So this is the combination that we use. We're gonna put this on first, all right, and then following that,
this is first. I thought this was last.
We're gonna put that on first. Yes, ma'am, sir. Okay, and then also we're gonna be using this eco styling gel, the olive oil eco style gel that was, you know, canceled back in the DIY, but look, it's here today. So we're gonna be using that because this does wonders for my hair and my wash and go, and it makes it look snap, crackle, and poppin'. So
okay, that's gonna be interesting. I did not know. When she told me the products, I didn't know that we were using the oil first.
Yes.
That'll keep it especially interesting, I think. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal thing. I'm not really doing her routine as much as I am using her products to see how they react in my routine.
Right, so like however much or not she needs, then she can use that, because we're not doing it to where it's like, oh, you have to use the same amount or that I use, because I know that I use way more than Jalen. Like, I've seen her hair and how it operates. Like, I just dyed it yesterday and it's completely different than mine. You high porosity hair girls are definitely God's favorite, so yeah,
y'all. Okay, so I'm going in with this island oil and I'm nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna make it happen.
Just make it happen.
But first we spray and then we pray. Y'all know I didn't expect it to spray like that. I almost died. Yeah, it almost took my eye out.
Yeah, that spray bottle actually sucks.
Oh, you could have warned me. I almost lost my life.
I'm so sorry.
Whew, the things I do for a video.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna, you know, not too much, but this is where I'm at with it, okay? Hands looking mighty greasy. Oh gosh. It's fine. Everything is fine.
I don't know, but this is not like making my hair feel smooth.
Okay.
Like this front was okay.
This isn't bad.
Side part.
I think I still have moisture from the deep conditioner, to be honest with you. So that's definitely playing a part. That's why you need to deep condition your hair, people. And it smells good, so I'm at peace with that. I'm definitely at peace with that. Do I just go in with the next product, or do I put all of the products?
I usually just like put the oil all over my hair,
okay,
and then go back and do the eco styler gel. Yeah.
So I'm just like really evenly distributing the oil. Kia said this gives her hair shine, which, I mean, I can believe it. Typically oils give shine. I'm just used to, if I do apply an oil, using it after I apply my leave-in and before I apply my gel, I guess. But there's no leave-in, so I guess this kind of makes sense. It smells so good. I feel like I'm taking my time, and my hair isn't even really that difficult, so I'm just gonna put this bad boy on. Commit. I have applied the oil all the way to my hair. Let me just round it up one good time for the one time. And just get these edges and stuff. Okay. Boom. What's next, Kia?
Alright. So, next we have the Eco Styler gel, and I mean you can work that into your hair like however you need to, just to define it, but I definitely I have the hiccups. Ghetto. I definitely make sure my hair is wet because my hair has to be like really wet.
Same. I'm so not used to applying Eco Styler gel at all. How do I want to do this? Okay, I'm gonna section, I guess like this. I only have one ponytail holder, so the struggle is real. This is not a normal thing for me.
And you call yourself naturals.
All I'm saying, this is an extreme sport. Right. So I'm just gonna wet my hair, which is so weird because everyone knows water and oil do not mix, so don't come for me. I'm so used to having music playing, but if I play my music, then I'm gonna get copyrighted. So just listen to the musical stylings of Jalen.
Period.
To the window, to the window, to the wall, to the wall, to the sweat drop down my balls. Oh, these girl. Oh, ski ski. Oh, ski ski. Okay, y'all, I have just opened up the gel. And I'm scared, but I'm starting off with like this amount, not a whole bunch, and we'll just work it up if I need to. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need some more water.
I don't know what I need right now.
Jesus.
No, seriously.
My thing is, I think it'll look fine, but will it last and will it be moisturized? That's my question. So now I'm just gonna apply the rest of the product to the other side. So far, it's looking pretty good. And honestly, as you can see, I've given up on this section mess. I've had enough. And we're in a rush. Saturating my hair with water. And being heavy-handed with the gel. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm looking like. My hair is laying down. It feels pretty good. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's dry so you guys can see my final results, but this is what I'm looking like right now. And this is just with freaking Eco Styler and oil, and that is insane to me. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys my final results from trying Kia's products. You know, Kia has low porosity hair. My hair is high porosity. We got different things going on, so it only makes sense that we use different products in a different way. So her technique was oil first, then gel, and no leave-in. And you guys know, if there's one thing I'm always gonna use, it's a leave-in. So that was definitely a little different for me. But y'all, this wash and go came out so cute, and my hair doesn't feel dry, and I was pretty nervous about it feeling dry because there was no like base of moisture. So my products, or not my products, but my hair, it's not way down or anything like that. I'm curious just to see how long it lasts though, because with high porosity hair, it gains moisture really quickly, but it also loses moisture really quickly. So yes, my hair feels moisturized now, but in a couple of days will it start to feel dry because I never put that leave-in in? I really don't know. But as far as looks go, I would rate this wash and go like 9.5 out of 10. Why 9.5? Because 10 out of 10, woo, 10 out of 10 at new level. I gotta leave some space for me to get a 10 out of 10, but it looks so freaking good, and it feels really good too. It's big, it's defined, but it's also fluffy. It's all the things that I like. So I would say that her low porosity product combo actually really did work on me, and I'm a little shook about it. I'm a little shook. I had never tried the Eco Styler olive oil one. I tried the other gels, but not that one. But I think I might go and buy it, just because if it can do that without a leave-in, imagine what it can do with a leave-in. I'm gonna have to keep y'all updated when I try that out
with a leave-in, I'm gonna let y'all know. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will have all of Kia's information linked down in the description box, so you guys should go ahead and check her out. And I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Also comment down below about this wash and go, like how y'all feeling, because it's lit, and my book is so lit. Ooh, give them body. Give them body. They was ready. They wasn't, girl, why you never ready? Because I'm a fool. All right, bye y'all.